Hello everyone, welcome to CP Geeks, and today we'll be solving the question find words that can be formed by characters. So basically you are given an array of string and a string characters. So a string is good if it can be formed by the characters from chars. So each character can only be used once. You have to return the sum of length of all good strings in the words. So basically if you see the first test case, you can see the first word, that is cat, cat. So whether cat is available in our chars or not, it's available, right? Cat. And similarly hat is also available, that is h, a and t. But tree and bt is not available, right? So हमको खाली इन दोनों का लेंथ ऐड करके रिटर्न करना है, that is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Let's come to second test case. We can see that hello, hello, that is available. You can see hell and o. So okay, hello is available. Can I say world is also available? That is world, right? So world, right? So world is available. But in the lead code word, can I say this is not available because t is not available in our given chars string basically, right? So what can we do? Let's just copy paste this here. Alright, so what can we do here? We can simply make a map of char comma integer, which will basically store our chars, right? Which will store our how many characters we have, right? So map of w, map of e, map of l will simply have a count of all the characters we have, right? So map of w is 1, map of e is 1, 2 and 3, map of l is 2 and so on. Okay, and what would be the approach for this question? We'll go to each word, हम each and every word पे जाएंगे and we'll create a copy of this map, right? Because we have to check for each and every word, right? So we'll we'll create a copy of this map, that is maybe temp or temp, something like that, and we'll simply check that whether the character is available in our map or not. So पहले हम h के लिए check करेंगे, so h will be available, फिर हम e के लिए, l के लिए, l के लिए and then o के लिए, right? And for every character can I say I have to decrease that character. So एक बार h हमने अगर verify कर लिया कि हाँ हमारे map में है, then we'll simply decrease it, right? Temp of h minus minus, right? Why? Because here the condition is given that each character can only be used once. So हमको उसका जो count है उसको decrease भी करते जाना है, right? So what we'll do, we'll simply create a map, and for every word present in this vector of strings, for every string we'll create a new map, that will be basically the copy of our original map, and हर temporary map के लिए हम उसमें changes करते जाएंगे, and we'll keep on checking that whether the character is present or not. So in this, when we'll come to lead, in the lead code word, when we'll come to t, we'll see that temp of t is already 0, right? Why? Because कोई भी t हमारे यहाँ पे present ही नहीं है map में. Okay, so इसका हम ऐड नहीं करेंगे, एंड बाकी दो का हम ऐड करके 5 + 5 10 कर देंगे. ओके, so let's try to code it. Map for int I equals to 0, I is less than chars dot size I plus plus. Map of chars of I plus plus. Okay, now our answer would initialize by 0, and now we'll go to each word. Okay, so words dot size I plus plus. Now the current string, let's name it as cur, will be words of I, and we'll create a copy of that map. So map of char comma int temp is equal to mp. Okay, and now we'll go to each and every character, right? So for int I is equal j is equal to 0, j is less than as current dot size and j plus plus. ओके, यहाँ पे हम एक बूल इनिशिएट कर देंगे, दैट इज अ फ्लैग विच इज़ बेसिकली ट्रू. एंड अगर जैसे यहाँ पे हमारा टी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, सो अगर हमारा टी प्रेजेंट नहीं है या कोई कैरेक्टर प्रेजेंट नहीं है, हम उस फ्लैग को फॉल्स कर देंगे. सो इफ temp of current of j, that is basically the count of the character in chars, in the string chars. Okay, if this is equal to 0, then we'll simply switch our flag to false. Else what we have to do, we have to simply reduce the count of that character, right? So temp of current of j minus minus. Okay, and after coming out of this for loop, we'll say what we have to do. If our flag is true, that is यहाँ पे अगर false नहीं हुआ है flag हमारा, and if flag is true, then we'll simply add the size of the string. What we have to return, we have to return the sum of lengths of all the good strings. So we'll return the we'll simply add the size of the string, and at the end we'll simply return it. Okay, thank you.